See students, in exercise 8.1 means related with chapter 8, it is here comparing quantities. So in this we will study about all general things. So first exercise, which is 8.1, is dealing with the ratio and proportion. So whatever we are solving here in the fractional form, which is having numerator and denominator, can also be converted into the ratios. ओके जब हम किसी को किसी के रिस्पेक्ट में सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो देन इट इज़ अ रेशियो. So you all are aware, we have studied this concept in 6th class, 7th class and 8th class. Again we are having one exercise completely based on ratios. So let us recapitulate. We know that the ratios will not have any unit, okay, because while finding the ratio of two quantities, the first step that we are going to do is to make the units same so that they can be cancelled out. हम उसको cancel कर सके ताकि जो final answer हमारे आए, okay, that will be in the exact form of ratio. So now see here, the question में given है find the ratio of the following. Ratio पता लगाना है. The speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter 30 km per hour. Now you can observe here. Here the unit is kilometer per hour and kilometer per hour, means units are same. Okay, so what will be the ratio? The ratio will be, first step we will make the units same. It has to be same, okay, so that they can be cancelled out. So what will be the ratio? Therefore, okay, ratio of speed of a cycle to, किसका चाहिए अपने को? स्पीड ऑफ साइकिल टू स्कूटर. स्कूटर इज इक्वल्स टू 15 किलोमीटर पर आवर अपॉन 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर. You can see, okay. So what it will happen now? What will happen? This will be cancelled, and if you recall the table of 15, it will go by 1s and 2s. So 1 upon 2, it is in form of fraction. We can write it in the form of ratio. So thus this is the required answer, and you will read as 1:2. Okay. Now let's see the second part of this question. You can see here they have given 5 meter to 10 kilometer. So again the first step is to make the units same. So it is 5 meter, okay, solution 2. अब हम किलोमीटर्स को कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हाउ मच इट विल कम? इट विल कम एज, यू नो, शुड नो, 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 मीटर. ओके, सो व्हाट इट विल बिकम? इट विल बिकम एज, नाउ वी कैन फाइंड द रेशियो. सो व्हाट विल बी द रेशियो? 5 मीटर अपॉन, okay, meter and meter will be cancelled, then 5 ones and it will be 2000. Okay, so it will be 2000. So how we will write? Now first it is coming in the form of fraction. We will write in the form of ratio. So you will read it 1:2000, and this is our answer. Clear? Now let's see the third part. What they are telling? They are telling 50 paisa to 5 rupees. Okay, this is the symbol of rupees. Now 50 paisa. So again we will make the unit same. 50 paisa to, यहाँ पे हमें मालूम है 1 rupee. Okay, 1 rupee is equals to 100. ऐसे. So ये 5 में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा 100 का, तो it will become 500. ऐसे. So what it will be? It will be 50. This is our solution. 50 ऐसे upon 500 ऐसे cancel. Okay, and here 50 की टेबल से अगर हम डायरेक्टली कैंसिल कर दें 1s और 10s, so it is coming 1/10 which can be written as 1:10, and this is your answer, required answer. Clear?